Hi, it's Joe Wiessner Realty with a just listed condominium of the day in Atlantic City, New Jersey. This is on the border of Atlantic City and Ventnor. And you can see that this is the Enclave, and it is beachfront, boardwalk-front, dune-front, and oceanfront. Only steps to the casino and steps to Stockton College. It's 21 stories of grandeur. The total number of units is 232, and the unit we're selling is 1806, and the address is 3851 Boardwalk. Pepe Leo is the agent who has this listing. Pepe is a new agent in Ventnor with my company, and he's going to be featured a little bit later on in the video. You can see the beginning of the 1.5-mile run of the Ventnor Boardwalk, and this property is clad with amenities, and we'll go through those. To the right is Stockton College, the brand new facility there, and you could see how well maintained the property is, and it's more of the same when you get into the interior aspects of the property. 3851 Boardwalk is the address. Let's come on inside and check it out. It has the marble walls, and you have a lobby. This is a security area and a concierge services for you. You have this window wall. You can see people walking on the boardwalk, walking their dogs. More marble all around, lovely tile. And it's got a library as you approach the end of the run. The elevator straight up. Let's check out floor 18. And we're gonna be on our way to see all its grandeur and the views. You notice there that the elevator skips floor 13. Let's meet Pepe. Let's see if he's home. Hey, it's Pepe Leo. Good to see you, Pep. So the view is really the story here in this efficiency unit, and you can see what the 18th floor provides for you. That's the Atlantic Ocean, glorious golden beaches, the boardwalk, view of the beach, bay, all of Ventnor City, Margate, Longport. You can see all the way down to Ocean City, New Jersey. Inside you have a breakfast bar, you have a bullpen area featured here, serves dual purpose for your living area. It's got a pool out. The kitchen is bright white. You have granite countertops. Your washer and dryer are behind that door, along with your heat pump, which gives you the central air and heat. The bathroom has a real nice upgraded glass shower surround, and you can see the vanity has some pull outs, and it's got the waterfall faucet, all in really nice condition. The utilities, the only bill that you have to pay is an electric bill, because everything is included, your cable and your water and sewer. There's also the club, which is on the 7th floor. You could have party down here. You can congregate with the other patrons, belly up to the bar. Also on the 7th floor are your hot tubs overlooking the beach, and you have an in-ground pool inside. And then there's also another outdoor pool in the warmer months. Off into the distance, there's a dual saunas, his and hers, and they have locker rooms, and that's a really nice amenity. And you have a world-class weight room. It's got a covered garage, so you never really have to go outside, and you walk right into your elevator. So let's talk to Pepe now. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up on it. If you really loved it, subscribe. And if you know anybody that wants the Enclave, make sure you share it with them. This is Pepe Leo's listing. We're on the 18th floor of the Enclave. We have an efficiency unit. You can see that we have the southern exposure, and you have a sight line all the way down the beach. Pepe, is there anything you wanted to add here in conclusion?
Comes fully furnished. It's an oversized studio. You have washer, dryer, stackable. Everything has been upgraded. Granite countertops, hardwood. The bathroom is completely redone. You have to do nothing.
And then this property has a parking garage.
Parking garage.
Right, so your car's all taken care of. Mm-hmm. It's got a swimming pool, hot tubs. What other amenities?
Indoor, outdoor swimming pool, 2 hot tubs, a steam room,
okay,
and a weight room.
Okay.
Yeah, you don't need a gym membership. You got a whole weight room.
It's got a mail room, right?
Yep.
Get your mail inside,
mm-hmm.
and you're right on the boardwalk. Walk right out to the beach, beachfront. And you have tremendous security, I noticed too. You have the people
24 hours.
Front lobby.
Yep.
You have a really nice sitting area there, library, all that kind of thing.
Yes.
Really a special property here. So make your appointment today. Pepe Leo, he's your Ventnor agent. He's the listing agent on this property. And as always, Joe Wiessner and Pepe Leo, we want to see you at the settlement table.